Hello, today we are going to talk about Pearson Edexcel International Advanced Level Physics, Unit 1, Mechanics and Materials, 1.3 Mechanics, 1.3.9 Newton's first and second laws of motion. Newton's first law: an object will remain at rest or traveling at a constant velocity until it experiences a resultant force. Newton's second law: the acceleration of an object is proportional to the resultant force experienced by the object. F is equal ma, where F is the resultant force. This could be also be described as sigma F, meaning the sum of all the forces acting on the object, which is equivalent. M is the object's mass and A is its acceleration. Newton's second law can be used to find either resultant force, mass or acceleration, if two of the others are known. However, the mass of the object must be constant. You can derive Newton's first law by considering Newton's second law. If you substitute in a resultant force of 0 Newton, you get an acceleration of 0 meters per second, which shows that the object is either at rest or traveling at a constant velocity. Terminal velocity occurs where the frictional forces acting on an object and driving forces are equal. Therefore, there is no resultant force and so no acceleration. So the object travels at a constant velocity. A good example of an object reaching terminal velocity is a skydiver. You can see here it's an upward downward, which is weight. As they leave the plane, they accelerate because the weight is greater than the air resistance acting on them. As the skydiver's speed increases, the magnitude of air resistance also increases. This continues until the force of weight and air resistance become equal, at which point terminal velocity is reached.